fam. How's everybody doing this morning? You guys, we got a very special recipe, you guys. So you better come on into the kitchen. So guys, today what we are doing is we're going to make us some buttery swim cheese biscuits. Yes, it's a easy comfort food recipe to start your mornings off. Well, you can fall all season recipe, okay? But we're going to start off with 1 stick of butter. And I'm going to put that in the oven. So guys, what you need is some self-rising flour. Self-rising flour. We need 2 cups of self-rising flour, you guys. When I tell you this is a very comfortable recipe that you can do at home. Guys, I don't know why, but let me get this. And I'm just going to measure this out. Just like that. Because this is 1 cup. Okay. Well, we ain't gonna leave that out. There's no need to not actually use that. But we're gonna close this back up. Ignore the mess, okay? Because you know I will clean up. And I'm just gonna switch this with this right quick. You know, just to break up any air or whatever that's in there. You know, follow me, okay? I'm not the perfect cook. But I am a cook. Do that make sense? But anywho, so you need 2 cups of whipping cream, right? Just some whipping cream. That's it. 2 cups of whipping cream. And I'm going to open that up. Because I need to make this not so much as a paste. But I need to make sure that I got it loose enough, right? And that is actually 1 pint. I don't mean to lie, but we're just going to go on here and we're going to mix it on up. Oops, little jumped out, but it's okay because I think this will be enough. Yes, there we go. I don't want to whip it too fast because I hear my butter is just about there. We're going to use the last. So we're going to use 1 pint. 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. Let me take my butter out. Okay, you guys. So now I'm just using my spatula because I just want to mix it on in here. We want to kind of like not translucent, you know, but just enough. There we go. Now, I'm going to add me some cheese. We're going to use sharp cheddar cheese. Just that amount. A nice little handful. Let's put this away. And we're going to stir it up in there. Just like that. Just folding it in. Now, because we don't want to put too much of a mix on it, we're going to add our butter. Make sure our surface is not hot. And we're just going to go ahead and merge our biscuit dough. Right on in here. And make sure you try to get it in the corners as much as possible. I'm giving it an even coat. And now I'm just going to go on here and put me some lines in here. Look, I don't even know where to put this, but I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so we're going to slide this in the oven for approximately 12 minutes on 400 degrees. 400 degrees. And you're going to watch it, and you don't want to let your butter burn. So guys, that did not take long at all. You guys, check out these buttery swim cheddar biscuits. You guys, you cannot beat this recipe. So, yeah, it's hands-free. I didn't get my nails dirty at all, you know. So, let's go in here and let's get us a biscuit. So, as you guys see, I put a certain way to make it easily come out, but I don't know which way is best. This pan is still hot, so if you're a new first-time viewer, yes, I hope this content is enough for you to subscribe. Come join your girl. Oh, look at there, you guys. Check out that biscuit. Oh my heavens. And we got us a plate right here. Because your girl want to go in there and look at it herself. At it herself. Buttery. This is definitely a buttery biscuit. Oh my goodness, you got, I cannot put it down. Hold on. So guys, let's go in here and check out this buttery biscuit. Oh, this biscuit is definitely buttery. And that's a buttery biscuit, you guys. Now, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. You never know what I'm going to come up with. But for the meantime, put you some sausage and eggs with this, and you got the perfect breakfast biscuit. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.